%95 of you will ignore this in 2021. How to profit from your products or ideas online. Hey, Emanuel here with Mantech Designs, and I help individuals profit from their inventions or ideas and create highly profitable online businesses. Now, some of you don't know, instead of using the old conventional methods of venturing your products using big invention companies or retail stores, now we're in the age of technology, and you should be into leveraging that and incorporating that into making profits from your products or ideas. So many don't know that nowadays you can actually build a product, have a manufacturer house it or / be your fulfillment center. Think of it as an Amazon, right? So they will act as your Amazon and deliver the products to your customers, and that will help you and enable you to have no overhead costs and allow you to save thousands and thousands of dollars by not housing it or doing it yourself. And now this is the best way and the fastest way to sell your products and get it up and running within months. No more waiting 6 months to a year or try to license your product, as some of them do, which takes forever, and you only get 5 to 10% of royalties from it, versus venturing the product yourself and doing everything via online and delegation and having all the control, but no overhead costs or expenses, which is really beneficial. And it's the newest, fastest way we call virtual venturing, which is a 7-step proven system that always works. Don't get stuck like most of us did. Beginning of this process, selling their inventions, struggling, getting their ideas stolen from them, spending tens of thousands, and really struggling just to market their product and making money from it. You know, there's a lot of different ways to skin a cat, but I believe making money this way is the best, the cheapest, and the only way that will be allowed. As you see in the future, you're gonna see everything will be via online. Retail stores are going down little by little. Amazon and now Walmart has their own fulfillment / Amazon department, right? So that's something for you to look into. Look into selling everything online. Everything. You can sell products, physical, digital, online, using advanced funnels or websites, and leverage that to have the highest possible rate of return on your own idea or product. If you want to learn more, we're just a phone call away. You want to start making money fast, just book a call with us and we'll talk to you soon.